Hi, I have in front of me a professional PTZ controller joystick with an integrated keyboard, which is available with free delivery directly from freetv.ie. So we're actually going to do a series of videos that cover this particular product. In this video I'm going to cover the topic of just exactly what comes in the unit, and then we'll give a display of exactly how it works, okay? So in the later ones then we'll actually connect it up to a PTZ camera connected to a monitor. We'll see how it works, and then we'll also cover the topic of how to program it up for particular PTZs, etc. So what will it support? In terms of the actual standards, it'll support either Pelco P or Pelco D. In relation to what we have here, we have the little joystick which is here, which gives the control on it. And also what we have here is we have an LCD screen, display screen here, and then we have the keyboard here as well. So it comes in this outer box. There's a user manual that gives an overview of how to program it up. And then basically we have two units here. So the first thing is to provide power directly to the PTZ, or to the keyboard. So I'm actually just going to take power source from a 12 volt, in this case a 1 amp power supply. And we have it programmed there. And what we had along with this unit here, this little block for connecting into the RS485 lead is directly here. So we're just going to push this in here now. And it means that we're now able to talk and communicate directly with the PTZ that's here. We've actually pre-programmed this already. So if we looked on the thing here, it'll actually say that it's set up on channel 1 directly onto this here. So we'll see anyway, we have the PTZ here, and we have two planes of movement we can use it for. So we can see here I'm actually moving the lens, move it up and down, and I want to move it over and back. I can rotate it over and back here. So we can use the keyboard here to pick out a particular PTZ we want to operate, because we might have multiple PTZs working directly off a DVR. Now normally there's only one PTZ, but it could be multiple. And then the other thing we can do is we can set up tours, all the rest of it, and exactly the path we wanted to follow. So just a really handy unit here. And this way of manipulating here, it's just much easier than a mouse or a keyboard, and that's why there's still a real market out there as PTZs become more and more popular, simply because it's better in terms of covering a large area. If you want to cover different sections here, to use it on a PTZ rather than have multiple cameras all the way along. So that's the end of this particular video, and if you just check the others in the series here, we'll see further ones where we have it actually operating cameras.